life is still sweet despite of all the
Yes.
things that we're going through.
Like, instead of dwelling sa
Yeah.
bitterness, you're focusing on the sweetness instead.
Yeah. Ang hiling ng background.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng background. We're actually here at Cloud9.
Yes.
Hi!
Hi, babes!
Welcome to your new favorite show,
Be Your Best Self
podcast.
It's your traveling host, Gracie.
And Rai.
And today we're going to talk about our retreat here in
Siargao Island.
Yes.
So, ikaw, kasi nagpakilala ka na Gracie eh. Bakit Gracie? Tell them bago tayo lumayo sa topic natin.
So, yes, I have been doing some healing since I've been sick for the past 4 months now. After I've been cut off.
4 months?
February pa lang kasi inuubo na ako. So, February, March, April, May. So, 3 months pala. So, ayun.
Bakit ngayon Gracie na yung name mo?
Yeah, because I availed the core correction and I was given Gracie. It's just a jumbled word for my full name. So,
Wow,
yeah.
Amazing. The name Gracie is your healed
Yes.
version. Wow.
Healed name.
Healed name. Yes.
Blessed name. Yes. So, we're here for Women Empowerment PH, Self-Love and Healing Retreat. So, kamusta, Sisi?
It's very healing, the nature, and everything.
It's more of like self-discovery. We do this retreat to guide them, to navigate, and discover themselves.
Yes. So, yun.
Kamusta? From day one, kamusta yung the retreat ha? Kamusta?
Okay. So, start tayo ng day 1. The day 1 was actually, perfect. So, umulan siya, hindi kami natuloy sa camping sa dagat. Pero yung naging grounding namin sa rooftops, nagkaroon kami ng cacao ceremony and as we drink yung cacao, nagkaroon siya ng sweetness. So, it's how we see life. Life is still sweet despite of all the things that we're going through.
Like, instead of dwelling sa
Yeah.
bitterness, you're focusing on the sweetness instead.
Yes.
Of course, not dismissing there's bitterness, no?
Yes.
We still acknowledge it. Yeah, that's it.
Yun, di ba?
Ako, iniyak ko lahat yun eh, kasi day 1 ko yun.
Oo.
Like, sila kasi nauna, pero ako, the day 1 of retreat itself is my day 1, and even I, the facilitator of the event, talagang nag-heal din talaga day 1 pa lang. Kasi, di ba sabi ko nga, I've been sick. And until now, I've been healing. Yun. So, it's really healing to experience all of it with the guests. So,
Yes.
yeah. How about day 2?
Day 2, what happened on day 2?
Beach.
Yun, nagkaroon kami ng Heal Your Inner Child with Gracie. So, basically, we address the children inside us.
The inner child.
Yes, the inner child that has been
Neglected.
Yes, neglected over the years na hindi mo alam na nandyan pa rin pala siya.
Yes.
Yung issue. So, ang ganda ng ginawa sa amin ni Gracie kasi she helped us na ma-channel yung inner child tapos ma-address yung matagal na naming ano yung tawag doon? Matagal na namin siyang parang
Kinikerry.
kinikimkim.
Unconsciously.
Oo, yes, kinikerry unconsciously. Tapos, nung day na yon grabe, parang, what a release. Tapos, what a healing na finally yung bata,
Waiting.
waiting
Longing.
siya sa'yo. Yes, longing
Na-i-address
siya sa'yo.
mo siya.
Yes, finally na-address siya. So, yun yung na-experience ko sa dito and grabe. Also, the confident part. So, Coach Bill is also here, the master coach in Mindshift PH. Yeah. He also helped us na ma-address yung confidence namin. That's why nung mga dumating na araw, sobrang confident ko na dito sa Siargao. Sobrang confident ko talaga as in, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of my body. I know I can offer a lot and I am enough. So, yeah, sobrang healing nun. Nung I am confident part na activity. How about you?
For me, dun sa part na yun, kasi ako yung nag-facilitate ng day 2 eh. Pero for me, whenever I saw them releasing and expressing themselves, releasing all the, uh, or addressing the inner conflicts, super healing na rin for me. Because I've helped these inner children of the participants. Yes.
So, day 3, ano ba nangyari ng day 3? Land tour kasi nung day 4, tapos day 5 naman island hopping. So, nung day 3, umuulan din kasi talaga. Honestly, thankful kami today kasi ang ganda ng weather. Pero all throughout the week, it's raining. And,
Nag-discuss lang dun sa rooftop.
oo,
Day 3. Nag-discuss sa rooftop.
Nag-activity tayo.
Oo.
Nag-activity kami.
Women archetype.
Hindi, kahapon yun. Nung ano yung day 4 yun.
No,
Land
day
tour.
3 yun.
Oo, talaga.
Oo.
Ayo, tapos natulog.
Oo.
Tapos inantok na kami, tapos natulog na kami. So,
Tas
di na
nag-party
kami
tayo nung gabi.
Tapos nag-party kami. Grabe, ganun lang siya kabilis. Akala ko kahapon lang siya, pero, wow. Ayun, nagkaroon kami ng session kung paano pa namin mas ma-attract yung partner namin. Kung paano pa namin mas...
Actually, understanding yourself pa rin yun eh.
Yes, yes.
What type of woman you are. Para yun nga, para alam mo kung sino yung lalaking ma-attract mo.
Yes.
Kasi sometimes patanong tayo, bakit laging ganito yung mga na-attract nating partner? Not knowing, tayo talaga yon. So, yeah, ako
Yes,
as a...
our frequency attracts that kind of frequency.
Yes, as well as yung the archetype itself. 'Di ba? As ako, as a social butterfly, 'di ba?
So we have to be mindful and we have to know those things para alam natin ano talaga yung gusto natin.
Explain how do we need to be mindful? Saan?
Sa sarili natin, kaya kailangan natin yung mga ganito. Kasi we really need those kind of help. Kasi kung hindi, we will end up
Miserable.
miserable.
With partners.
Yes, tapos
Frustrated.
mapapatanong tayo bakit. Pero hindi naman tayo nagagawa ng way for us to know yung answers. Kaya ako thankful na lang din ako kasi I became part of this retreat as a photographer and as a participant. So I've gained a lot of healing and knowledge, especially on who I am.
Yes.
So thanks to these coaches.
And how about day 4? Kasi day 4 and day 5 is free time na eh.
Day 4, we did land tour. Pumunta kami.
Kaso umulan.
We tried to go
Actually,
sa
not
Pacifico.
land tour siya eh. Because umulan nga. So, ang ginawa niyo, nag-DIY na lang kayo, nagmotor kayo papuntang north, di ba?
Yes. Galing pumunta kaming Maasin River. So, ganda ng mga pictures and shots namin sa Maasin River. Si Sisi nagpahinga siya because she's not feeling well.
I'm healing.
Yeah, she's healing. Her body is healing. And
From all the stress. And then, day
from
5.
day 5, sobrang saya niya kasi it's finally celebrating the new version, the healed version of us. So, we did island hopping, kumain kami ng boodle fight, and we met new friends along the island hopping. Grabe. Sobrang saya dito sa Siargao.
And today is day 6
Ayoko
and
na
it's our
umuwi.
last day.
Ayoko na umuwi. Char! Hindi, pero ang saya dito, ano lang, kailangan marami kang pera.
Oo, ganun talaga. Di pwedeng ano lang,
Yes.
ganda lang.
True.
So anyway,
That's it.
yeah, that's it. So, now, ano pwede natin i-challenge sa kanila? Discover yourself
Yes,
by
to know yourself.
do the personality test.
We're gonna link it.
Maganda
May link ba yun?
Oo, ma-discover niyo talaga yung sarili niyo doon. Like the strengths and weaknesses. Yan.
We're gonna link it in the description box.
Yes. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much, babes, for listening. And if you like this episode, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Keep shining, babes!
Siargao!